Hi there. Welcome to a series of videos called English for Emerson. This is a series of videos that I'm making for my son Emerson. He's learning to read and write some basic English. English is what we're working on, and we've been working our way through the alphabet, and we worked our way down to the letter E. And E is one of the most difficult letters to deal with in English. Here it is. E, here's two of them together, a couple of E's. The E is so difficult because it can do so many different things, and a lot of the things that it does don't really make very much sense. And so we're going to go through some of those different things that the letter E does. And today we're going to be doing a little lesson on when a combination of letters E and A, when the E comes before the A, when you see that combination of letters, today we're going to be going over some words where the combination of EA makes the sound E, much like you would expect if you saw two E's together. It makes the E sound like itself. Now this is very confusing in English because a lot of times the EA, when it's together, does not make the sound E. It can make the sound E, it can make the sound A, and it can make other noises as well. And this is a very confusing thing about English. And I wish sometimes it was different because it's so confusing, especially for people who are learning English, who know another language, where they expect letters to always make the same sound or the same combination of letters to make the same sound. You get to English and you realize that it breaks all the rules. And so you got to be very, very patient, and you have to remember that with English, a little bit of memorization goes a long way. And so sometimes the best we can do is just practice and get used to seeing words, and we start to remember what they mean just by seeing them. And the most important thing is to just be patient and realize English can be tough, real tough. Okay, so here we go. Today we're going to be going over a combination of EA that makes the sound E. And we'll start off at the top. This EA, and EAT, makes the word eat, like I'm going to eat breakfast soon. All of these combination of EAs today are going to make the sound E. In future lessons, we'll go over some types of words where the combination of EA makes other sounds. But today, you can rest assured every EA is going to make the sound E. Okay, here we go. DEAL. Deal. Let's make a deal. I'll trade you your bike for my bike. LEAP. Leap. Let's leap off of this doghouse and have a race. Or watch the frog leap into the pond. Okay? FEAST. Feast. The family had a feast and they were all happy. BEAN. Bean. I wonder how tall this beanstalk is going to be. Maybe it'll be taller than me. MEAL. A meal. What would you like to have for your meal? Or that was a really good meal we had for dinner. TEAM. Team. Who's going to be on my team? I want to win. YEAST. Yeast. Now I've run out of red E's and A's down here at the bottom. That's the way it goes. Yeast. What in the world is that? Yeast is a type of fungus that we use in cooking a lot of times to make bread and to make beer and You can find it in the grocery store. You put it in, mix it in with the flour, and it makes the bread rise when you cook it. Okay, so let's go through these one more time and then we're going to switch them up. Deal, leap, feast, bean, meal, team, yeast. Okay, now I'm going to move these letters around a little bit and we're going to come back and we're going to read some other words. Okay, we're back. I moved all these letters around, and so now we're going to read some more words with the EA combination. Here we go. Starting at the top. L-E-A-D. Lead. Who's going to lead the way? L-E-A-N. Lean. Like lean on me. Great song. Lean on me when you're not strong. I'll be your friend. Okay. F-E-A-R. Fear. Now that one sounds a little bit different when it's in front of the R, but it still really makes the sound E in there. Fear. Fear. B-E-A-S-T. Beast. The Beauty and the Beast. M-E-A-N. Mean. That guy is mean. I don't like him. M-E-A-T. Meat. Now there's two different kinds of meat. There's meat somebody, that's spelled differently. And then there's meat, like animal flesh that you cook up to eat, like a hamburger or a hot dog is meat in English. M-E-A-T. Let's have meat for dinner. And the last one down here, L-E-A-S-T. Least. The letter E is probably my least favorite because it makes so many different sounds and it's confusing. Do you follow me? Okay, let's go through it one more time together. Eat, lead, lean, fear, beast, mean, meat, least. So there's a bunch of different words that have the EA in combination that makes the sound E. In our next lesson, we'll go through some different words that have the EA that make different sounds. The best way to deal with English is just to practice and get to the point where you memorize some of these words, because in English, like I had an old professor that once told me, an ounce of memorization is worth a whole pound of reasoning. Okay, that's all I got this time for English for Emerson. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.